Number 41. Find the area bounded by the graph of the right branch of the hyperbola and the line x equals 10. So x equals 10 is just this vertical line, basically just right here. And what it wants to know this area right here. So in fact, because this is symmetrical, what I'm going to do is take the area above the x-axis. So I'll take this right here, and then I'm just going to double it. So to do this, I'm going to get my equation of x squared over 36 minus y squared over 9 equals 1. I'm going to get that in terms of x. I'm going to get y in terms of x. And that way I'll be able to integrate. If you missed how I got this equation, it's in the previous video for question number 40. But on a real test, you would have already had this equation, so I'm not going to go through the derivation again. So we just have to get this in terms of x. So we have x squared over 36 minus y squared over 9 equals 1. Right? So we'll get, let's see, y squared over 9 will then equal x squared over 36 minus 1. So y squared equals x squared over 4 minus 9. Yes, and then solving for y finally gives us the square root of x squared over 4 minus 9. And obviously, you're going to get a plus or minus here if you were to solve this like in the Inspire solver. And what this means is the plus side is just this over here, and then for the minus, it would be this over here. So like you're fine either way. So I'm just going to take the positive part. Right, let's take the positive part. And then to find this area, I can just integrate. So I'll integrate the square root of x squared over 4 minus 9. Well, what are my x bounds? So I start at x equals 6, and then end at x equals 10, and then integrate with respect to x. So if I do this, get that shift plus from 6 to 10 of the square root. Here, I'll type the square root. What is it again? I already forgot. X squared over 4 minus 9. There we go. Nope, not that. X squared over 4 minus 9. And then dx, right? Doing that gives me just this area right here. But the problem wants all of it, so bounded by the right branch. Right, so it wants this area too. So to get that, all I have to do is double this. Not too complicated, just times 2. And you get an area of 20.2, and that's answer choice A. Alright, if you have any questions from other tests, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make a video with the solution. With that said, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.